Remove all residues of old applications if necessary. We recommend a final 100 grit. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose, but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some undiluted exterior wood cleaner and scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush in the lengthwise direction of the wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Take the hybrid wood protector and shake well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a mixing container. Add precisely 10% accelerator and stir well. Keep in mind, once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Now, apply a layer of the mixture with the Rubio Monocoat terrace brush. Work in zones of 5 to 10 square meters and in the lengthwise direction of the wood. Leave the oil to react for 10 minutes and then smooth the surface again with the same terrace brush, but without applying new product. After 5 minutes, wipe off traces of excess product with a lint-free cloth. For the small corners, you can use a flat paintbrush. Only apply when weather conditions are dry and temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Also, avoid working in direct sunlight. Cloths saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Let dry for about 24 hours. Complete curing takes place after 7 days. Use exterior soap for the regular cleaning and nourishing of the terrace. Terraces should have maintenance every year, preferably right after the winter season. Maintenance is done with hybrid wood protector in the original color, but you'll never have to sand again.